Hello, my name is Mrs. Salas and I teach Advanced Algebra 2 and IB Math Studies Year 1. I have been teaching at Bowie for the past 6 years, and that is also the total number of years that I've been a teacher. I graduated from UT Arlington and I received my teaching certification through the UTeach program. In this video, I will share with you my contact information and also some important dates that are coming up this 6 weeks. So you can contact me by sending me an email to ggarciam@aisd.net. Now, if you would like to receive information from my classes, then you can sign up to my Remind. You need to check your child's class period, and then you need to look at the code. Whatever code they have, you need to send it as a text message to the number 81010. For example, if your child is in my IB Math Studies class, I have that class during first period, so you would text at CHKDDG to the number 81010. That way, anytime I send any reminders or any changes to the students, you will receive that as well. Now, the phone number that I provided is the school's phone number, which is 682-867-4400. You can just ask the receptionist to transfer you to Mrs. Salas. Now, if you would like to set up a conference with me, you can contact me through email or phone, or you can give me a call, and we can set that up. I hold conferences during my fourth period, which is on 8 days, and it is between 1:15 p.m. and 3 p.m. Now, if you would like to know about tutoring, my tutoring schedule is Monday through Thursday after school from 3 o'clock until 3:45. Now, I do ask students to set up an appointment so that I can be available during the time that they would like to hold the tutoring, okay? Now, important information coming up for this fifth 6 weeks. And these dates are good for my Advanced Algebra 2 class and my IB Math class. It just depends whether you have my class on A day or B day. So the first test for the 6 weeks will be on March 11th for my B day, which is my Algebra 2, and on March 12th for my IB Math class. Their second quiz of this 6 weeks will be on March 26th for Algebra 2 and March 29th for IB Math. Each 6 weeks, students take 2 tests and 2 quizzes, so their second test will be on March 30th for Algebra 2 and March 31st for IB Math. The end of the 6 weeks is April 9th. Now, I would also like to share with you some opportunities that students get to improve their grades. Let's say that a student receives a grade less than a 70 on a quiz. If the student shows mastery on the following test, then that grade, whatever it is, if it is below a 70, will go up to a 70 because the student proved that the student understands the material, the information that we covered. As far as points added to test, students get an opportunity to receive extra credit points on their test if they provide a summary and a picture of every note that is given during that 6 weeks. I assign video notes every time that we meet. Okay, it goes over the lesson that we're going to be covering. So if the students type in a summary and then submits a picture of their notes, then points are added to their test. Also, I assign students practices over the lesson so that they can strengthen their math skills. I pick some practices as extra credit points added to the quizzes. Now, I don't tell students which practices are going to be extra credit because it's important for students to complete all of their practices. But that also helps us provide those extra credit points to the students. Thank you so much for watching this video, and again, please feel free to contact me through email or sending me a phone call or giving me a call. if you have any questions or concerns. I know that together we can work so that students can be successful in Advanced Algebra 2 and IB Math studies. Have a great day.